When we read a book, it's important that we make connections to it. And there are three different ways to make a connection. A connection is when we read a book and we can think to ourselves. It's a way to find things that are like your own life or other texts that you've read. So we have three different kinds and they all come with hand signals. So we have text to self. That means that the book reminds you of something you do in your own life. So if I'm reading a book and I make a connection like, hey, my favorite color is blue, just like the character's favorite color, that's a text to self. So do it with me again. Text to self. The next type of connection we can make is text to text. That means that it's a book that reminds you of another book. So maybe you're reading Rainbow Fish and you think about another book that also happens underwater. That's a text to text. Then we have text to world, and that's text to world. And the text to world is something that happens in my community. If you are reading a book and you notice that they're crossing the street, or like little ducks are crossing the street, maybe that makes more sense, and you can think of a time when that happened in your community, that's text to world. So we have three different kinds of making connections. Do them with me. We have text to self, text to text, and we have text to world. And those are our three different types of connections.